gonna make Oreo dirt pudding. Some people like to call it dirt cake. I have no idea why they would do that because there's no cake in it. It's just pudding. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take one package of Oreos. I'm gonna just empty the entire package into this large baggie. We're gonna crush them up. Now we're just gonna take a rolling pin or whatever you have and just crush them up. Once they're good and crushed, we're gonna put 6 tablespoons of melted butter in the bag with the Oreo. And then I'm just gonna mix them up in the bag. All right, set this aside for now. Now we're gonna get 2 small boxes of Jell-O. You can use chocolate. I've heard people use French vanilla. I use chocolate. Then add 3½ cups of milk. All right, that's 3½. Just use a whisk and whisk it up. All right, once that's good and mixed, we're gonna set this aside and let it thicken up for a couple minutes. While that's thickening, we're gonna mix 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese with a cup of powdered sugar. And we're just gonna mix this until there's no more lumps. Now you can see this, just this few minutes, this pudding is starting to set up. Add our cream cheese mixture directly into our pudding. Once this is mixed in, we're just gonna add 1 large tub of Cool Whip. And we're just gonna fold this into the mixture with a spoon. And then we're just gonna alternate layers between the cookie mixture and the pudding. Start and end with the cookies. Okay, for a little bit of fun, we can add some gummy worms to our dirt cake.
You can put birthday candles in it if somebody wants to make it a birthday cake.
Oh, of course. You can also use a planter. I've got aluminum foil on the inside to line the pot. The little flowers. You want to give it a taste? You want to taste?
It looks just like dirt. Do your Vanna White like your...
A Vanna White.
Yeah. Don't talk about my shirt, my fat, and my breathing. I don't care. They don't get some of this. Delicious. What's so funny?
The look on your face.
For what?
You were like, come on.
I was just looking at the little fella that didn't make it.
Here, he made it.
Man down, man down.